Good morning, students. Today we will study about the second component of the blood, that is formed element or corpuscles. Formed elements are of three types, that is erythrocytes, leukocytes and thrombocytes. So first of all we will study about the erythrocytes. Erythrocytes are also known as red blood cells or RBC. They are the most abundant of all the cells in blood. Erythrocytes or RBC are biconcave and disc-like with a diameter of 7 to 8 μ. Their number in average healthy adult human is 5 million to 5.5 million of RBC per millimeter cube of blood. RBCs are usually formed in the red bone marrow of the blood. They are devoid of nucleus, that means they do not have nucleus, mitochondria or endoplasmic reticulum. The entire volume of RBC is filled with red color iron containing complex protein that is known as hemoglobin. A healthy adult individual has about 12 to 16 gram of hemoglobin in 100 ml of blood. The lifespan of RBC is 120 days, after which they are destroyed in the spleen. Hence, spleen is also known as graveyard of RBC. Another type of formed element is leukocyte or WBC. They are also known as white blood cell as they are colorless due to the lack of hemoglobin. These cells are nucleated, that means they have nucleus and are relatively lesser in number as compared to the RBCs. Their average number ranges from 6,000 to 8,000 millimeter cube of blood. Leukocytes are generally short-lived. There are two main categories of WBC, or you can say they are broadly classified into two categories. One is granulocyte and second is agranulocyte. First type of leukocyte is granulocyte. These are the cells with granular cytoplasm. They are further divided into three types of cells, that is neutrophils, eosinophils and basophils. Neutrophils are the most abundant and form about 62% of the leukocytes. Basophil are the least amongst them. Neutrophil and monocytes are phagocytic in nature, which destroy the foreign organism entering into the body. Basophils play an important role in the inflammatory reaction as they contain histamine, serotonin and heparin. Eosinophils, which forms 2 to 3% of the leukocytes, resist any kind of infection and are also associated with the allergic reaction. Another type of leukocyte is agranulocyte. The cytoplasm of agranulocyte has no granules and is pale blue in color. They have a large circular or kidney-shaped nucleus. They are again divided into lymphocytes and monocytes. Lymphocytes are of two major types, that is B and T form. Both B and T lymphocytes are responsible for immune responses of the body. And monocytes form 6 to 8% of the leukocyte. These monocyte cells are phagocytic in nature and motile. Last type of formed element is thrombocyte, which is commonly known as platelets. Platelets are the cell fragments which are produced from megakaryocytes Megakaryocytes are the special type of cells which are present in bone marrow. Blood normally contains 1,50,000 or 3 lakh to 3,50,000 platelets per millimeter cube. Platelets can release a variety of substances, most of which are involved in the coagulation process or the clotting process of the blood. A reduction in their number can lead to the clotting disorder, in which there is a problem in the clotting of the blood at the time of injury, which lead to the excessive loss of blood from the body.